Can this 2-inch grill actually cook? Let's find out. It fits in my fingertips. This little grill is 2 inches wide and it's about 1 3/4 long. This is a small grill. We're gonna cook on it. So I'm gonna just slightly modify it just to give it a fighting chance. Just put it on top. So we're gonna see if this little 2-inch grill can roast a marshmallow, boil water, and cook a steak. The charcoal briquette is bigger than the grill. So I'm lighting the charcoal in my other little grill so that I can transfer the heated charcoal to the 2-inch grill. I'm gonna have to break it up too. Okay, for the first test, we're gonna attempt to roast a marshmallow. Let's see. I just see a little smoke. I might have to swap for more charcoal. Okay, now it's really lit up. We're doing something all right. That something could be nothing. Oh! I see like a little darker spot. Well, let me just leave it there for longer. I'm telling you right now, it smells delicious. Put some fresh charcoal on there to see if that helps. Okay. I'm noticing that when I blow on the charcoal, it does get hotter, so that might be the move. Patience is the key, guys. Patience. Oh, it's getting a little charred. Got the roasted marshmallow, chocolate, graham cracker. The 2-inch grill passes the roast test. Now for test number 2, let's see if it can boil water. Okay, so water on the grill. Timer starts now. Let's see if it could boil or at least warm up. Currently, the water is 68 degrees. All right, just been about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's see how hot the water got. Oh, 78. It's about 77, 78 degrees. Okay, see outside is 70. $93, 94. So for water to boil, it needs to be at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. We need more than double the heat. Okay, so I added new charcoal to see if that helps. There's smoke, but there's no real fire though. Okay, we're currently about 10 minutes, 30 seconds in, and the water's 101 degrees. It's about to be 18 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's see how the water's doing. It is at 120, 121. I don't think it's gonna boil. Damn. So yeah, water test failed. All right, for the last test, we're gonna see if the 2-inch grill can cook a steak, but this one is a little on the bigger side, so I'm gonna have to cut it up. Boom. That's like a nice 1/2-inch little steak. Time to season it. A little salt. Can't forget the black pepper. Don't be scared also. All right, boom. That's our little steak. Now it's time to grill the steak. Steak is on. Started timer. So like I said, this is like a 1/2-inch little steak, so it's a little thick. So be careful. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. Let's see how the steak looks on the other side. Hold the bottom. Oh my God, okay. I think it's cooking. It definitely does look darker, but that could also just be the ash. Okay, I added new charcoal. Something's happening. just under 10 minutes in. This is how we looking. Every time I replace the charcoal, it just dies. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's an airflow problem, I'm assuming. I've been trying different things. It doesn't seem to really stay on. I have to keep blowing on the charcoal so it can stay on. It's not looking too hot, guys. It's been 26 minutes. The steak's not really cooking, I don't think. Let's cut it open and see how it looks. So, I mean, yeah, this is still on the grill. As you can see, I still see some pink. But who knows? Maybe that means it's cooked. Like maybe, you know, just because it's pink doesn't mean it's not cooked. Medium rare, you know? Okay, so that's what the other side looks like. I mean, I will say there is some color. Okay, let's see how it looks. And the reveal is, yo, wait, is that cooked? That's a little pink on the inside, it's steamy. This might be cooked. No, look, I see a little pink, like, that's cooked. No, guys, it is fully cooked. That's a nice medium well. I have to try it now. I legit thought it didn't cook. It's been cooking for over 28 minutes, 26 minutes. Smells good, looks good. Let's see how it tastes. That's some good steak. So I guess it's safe to say that the 2-inch grill can cook. Genuinely a cooked steak. Make sure to subscribe.